What's up, guys? So we're gonna work on hip external rotation. We're gonna hold this stretch passively for 2 minutes, okay? So I'm gonna tell you how to get set up. So you're gonna come down to the ground. You're gonna set up so that your front knee is coming straight out from your ASIS, so straight out from your hip, and then you're gonna bend that knee at 90 degrees. Your back leg is gonna be coming straight out the side, and then that leg is also going to be bent at a 90-degree angle. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to get nice and tall in the spine. You're going to think about pulling your tailbone up towards the ceiling and then pulling yourself forward just enough so that you feel a stretch in that front glute. Okay, so once you feel that stretch, we're going to hold that for 2 minutes. I'm going to hold it with you. So nice and passive hold. Focusing on diaphragmatic breathing. So nice big inhale for 4 seconds. And then you're going to exhale for 8. Go ahead and inhale. And exhale. You're going to continue with that breathing pattern until the time is up, so I'm keeping the time for you. With every exhale, I want you to think about those tissues just melting and letting your body relax into the position, okay? So you want to keep that stretch. If you feel like you're loosening up a little bit, you can pull yourself forward just a little bit to get more of a stretch, but if this is fine, then you can just stay here. So again, making sure you're focusing on your breath. We're going to do an inhale for 4 seconds. And then we're going to exhale for 8. And just keep breathing. We're going to hold for about 10 more seconds. So one more inhale for 4. And then go ahead and exhale for 8. Okay, so now we're going to do a PAILs and rails contraction. Okay, so first is going to be your PAILs contraction. So what you're going to do is you're going to imagine that there is a scale underneath your front knee and your front foot here, and you're going to slowly push your leg into those scales. Just imagine your front leg is nice and heavy and you're pressing it down into the ground with about 20% effort. Now we're going to ramp up that effort. We're going to go to 40%. So you're going to feel your glute contracting. Make sure you're nice and tight. Squeeze, ramp it up to 60%. And now ramp it up to about 80%. And now you're going to give me max effort. So you're ramping it up to 100% effort. You're pressing that leg into the ground with as much effort as you can, squeezing that glute, and we're going to hold this here for 15 seconds. So keep holding. You should feel your body shaking. This should not be easy. If you can hold it for more than 15 seconds, then you are not giving me max effort. So keep holding. 5, 3, 2, 1. You're going to slowly release. So nice and easy. And now what I'm going to have you do, we're going to ramp up the other side. So you're going to contract your groin, your abs, your hip flexors, and you're going to try to pull yourself down into that stretch even more by contracting everything on the inside, okay? So 20% effort here. ramping that up to 40%, 60%, 80%. Now you're gonna give me max effort and we're gonna hold that for 15 seconds. So keep holding everything you got. Max effort, trying to pull yourself down into that stretch even more. We're gonna go for 5, 3, 2, 1. Slowly relax. And now we're just going to go a little bit further into that stretch and we're gonna hold this for 30 seconds. So here you can go back to your diaphragmatic breathing. Nice slow inhale for 4. Exhale for 8. We're gonna hold this passive stretch, 3, 2, 1, and then you can slowly come out. Make sure you guys check your program to see how many reps of PAILs and rails you should be doing for external rotation. And that's it.